All right, I am here with Ranger Rick on Instagram with his sick Ford Ranger. And I was like, man, that's such a nice color Ford did. Well, no, Ford didn't do this color. This truck was black. And, well, Ranger Rick wrapped this thing and she looks sweet. So it's raining here in Southern California, enough to make us put this tarp up, this easy up. And why? Because we are installing the best tonneau back cover, which is Smartop by Rugged Bound. It is awesome. So I said, come on over, let's install this thing. And much to my surprise, I mean, this thing looks great on Instagram, but in person, holy cow, what a rig. Nice wheels. Look at that suspension. I'll do a walk around later, I think, but first we're going to install the Smartop. So I think we'll get this done, my guess is an hour, and we'll show you what that looks like. I'll take some videos as we go to show you how we're installing it. It's pretty straightforward. We're going to start with the bar that goes around just behind the well, at the top of the bed of the truck. But just wanted to show you what's going on here. It's looking good. The one thing I didn't get in the video, maybe I'll put a little clip here. The way Rugged Bound packages this, it's on a pallet, it's full size. You're not, it's no nuts and bolts and you're putting it together yourself. It is fully built, ready to be installed. So really the only thing we're putting on is the hinge at the front, and then also we're going to be putting on the struts that pushes it up when you open it up. So we'll show you that and show you the finished product here. All right, so in installing the hinge bracket up here, we put our weather stripping underneath, so where this is going to contact. So just place it on so you can see where it goes dry, so to speak, see where the weather stripping goes. But then you're going to want to mount your water guard. That's this. You see how it makes a little channel there? And that's going to be with this provided silicone that you'll put into that channel. So you will want to install this with everything off, because to get into here, it's inside a very thin little canyon channel. So you're going to want to, for us installing it, it was kind of like a two-person job. One person was holding the Allen key bolt going through while the other one tightened down the nut. So you need long fingers or a long Allen key to get up there. So we did that, attached it to this, then the weather stripping, and then place this in, and then you just bolt down right here. You can see that goes into the existing threaded spots to lock it down there, and on that side right there. So that's done. That was pretty much the longest part of everything, because now we've put on these rear pieces that'll hold the top. So it just screws right into existing holes as well, and you got a nice contour bend to follow the bed of the truck. So next we're going to use, I believe you just use the existing bolts that are there for the plate that's going to hold the struts. So we're going to do that next, and then I think we're ready to put the top on. We're getting there. Gonna look awesome. There's the strut installed, and what we found is this plate, because it doesn't, you can have it up or down. So put it down, get that to the lowest point possible. But you do not need this extra piece. If you see this piece is already attached, remove it, because it would create an elbow and then it's not going to work. So you have to go straight to the ball, right, with the clevis straight to the ball. And then up top it goes like so, because it's tight fitting. So make sure you're going to have to start threading that and have your nut already there. You can't put that through and then the nut, because this is in the way. So have your nut flush to the bracket, and with two wrenches you hold and tighten. All right, that's the trick there, and that's the trick there. Definitely remove this piece. Maybe when you receive yours, it's just going to come with the ball and you won't have to figure that out. All right, let's now right now with one strut, it's holding it up. It's phenomenal. These struts are no joke. They're awesome. Okay, we want to get a finished video of the truck here. We're going to put the other strut in, and then we're good to go. All right, project is complete. So the suspense, we'll walk around to the back. So it's party in the front. No, business in the front, party in the back. Look at this. So that's the Smartop. Look how nicely closed that is. You can adjust how it closes too to have a firm, you know, snug fit. But look how clean that is. That is so clean. This is the first one. Installed this with Ranger Rick, and this is just making his Ranger even cooler. Check that out. So nice. What you guys don't know, it's actually pretty dark out here. The camera's making everything a lot lighter. But look how just that special wrap that Ranger Rick put on this Ford Ranger, and how that black just contrasts it so nicely with that Smartop. So now hinges up, you can put a fifth wheel, there's like a mount for your fifth wheel on the back there. You can put your bike, you can put a tent, you can put so much. You can have two people standing on that. I don't think there's too many rear bed covers that you can get up and stand on. This one you can have 3 people standing on that. So that looks awesome. For more information on that Smartop, just check out in the description below and get yourself one for your rig. And they do more than just the Ford Ranger. There's many different cars that this is made for. I'll list that in the description as well. Sweet. That's awesome and functional. Thanks for tuning in.